it's stuck in the name here, and I got Lootcrate again. Yay! Let's see what we get. This is what it looks like. I got a t-shirt. I don't know if you can see it. No, can't really see it good. It's Voltron. There we go. A Voltron t-shirt. That's kind of cool. Okay, looks like I got a tie. This is what the box looks like. And okay, this is what the tie. This is the tie.
Pocket boxes over here.
This is the tie. So let's put this back in the little box.
I do, Kelly, I do.
Okay, what happened?
Oh, wait a minute. You don't get half of those, though. Kelly doesn't, because she got her 2 or 3 of them.
I only had 2 of it, Mom. But, okay, so this is, there we go. Put it back in the box. I don't know what this is. Not really sure what it's supposed, like, I know it's supposed to be like a little game, but I don't know. Oh, okay, it's these little blind bag things. Disney called Toy Club does these things. His name is Zero. He had some of these. This is actually my first one. So let's put this together. Together like okay. Where's the other shoe? It doesn't matter which. Ah! My hand came off.
If the kids got any more food left, don't eat it. So they'll have something when they come back.
So this is what it looks like when it's all together. Alien Attack. I'm not really sure. I know it's supposed to be like a Nintendo 64 game, but I'm not sure what. Let me take these off really quick. Yeah, I can feel.
I couldn't hear you because Kelly.
No.
Yeah. Sorry. Got these cool sunglasses.
What is this? Chili?
That is pretty sweet.
Bowl?
I have to put my real glasses back on.
Oh, no, I know what it is. Is that sauce for the noodles?
I'm not really sure what these glasses are from, though. All I know, this is Rewind Lootcrate. This is what the pen looks like. Lootcrate. And it's a pocket notebook. What it looks like. Open this and see what it looks like. Okay, here's a little paper telling what it is, I guess. This is actually cool. It's a little comic. It's comic little thing. Notebook. Is it? Not really sure what these are. Oh, okay. Thought bubbles. Tell that off. Then that's what that is. I'm recording the video. Well, just letting you know I'm recording. Let's put this back here. Huh? This? I'm not really sure. I can show you the box. This is what came in. I'm not really sure. Zero, you know, Disney DCTC, Disney Car Toy Club.
I know what you're talking about.
Zero did see things before, like a little blind box, and this is what the little magazine looks like. Just showing you stuff. This is from this is from last month. I got last month, and I keep forgetting to record, so. Then just showing you all what you got in now. Yeah, I have not showed this to you guys yet. That's the last thing in the box. That then I didn't really show it. Look, a little combo cutout looks like. And then last thing in the box. It's a comic book of Star Wars, and it's #1 too. That's kind of cool. And this is what the box looks like inside. And, well, that's pretty much it for this Lootcrate. I'll try to upload another one next month. See, they're probably going to heal this now. See, he's in.